Alright guys, so what we have here is my Toyota Innova, or whatever you call it, Innova Crysta or Innova Reborn, I don't know. Let me show you my Innova. So here's my tail light, ordinary tail light, but I have a tail box lamp there, over there. And also I'm proud to be a member of Toyota Innova Club Philippines. Yeah. So that's my exterior. Let me show you my interior. So I have a underglow light, as you can see, in the middle side and then the front side. And I also upgraded my interior lights to all white LED there, in the middle one also. Yeah, and also my visor lights, I upgraded them too. So this is how it looks like when you saw it from the back, when you look at from the back. Yeah, that's it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video from Philippines, Toyota Innova.